99% of you are going to ignore the concept in this video, but the 1% of you that don't are definitely going to succeed in the years to come. I'm gonna be telling you the #1 tip of how to make a lot of money, and it's coming up right after this. What's up, legends? I hope you're all having a blessed day. It's Kel Preston here with Personal Legends, bringing you great tips and tricks with becoming an entrepreneur and giving you the right mindset for it. On this channel, I'll be providing you with all of the knowledge that I've been learning from my mentors, plus things that I'm learning on my personal journey. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and clicking that bell notification to be kept up with my videos. Alright guys, let's just hop into the #1 tip of how to make a lot of money. I'm not gonna waste your time, here it is. It's to give stuff away for free. I know, a lot of you are gonna drop off this video right now, but the ones that stick around are going to learn the greatest tactics with starting and maintaining a business. Now in a later video, we are going to talk about something called a value ladder. But for now, let's focus on the mindset of this. However, you might be asking, Cal, how am I gonna make a lot of money if I'm not even making any kind of profit? Well, here's how. Let's take one of my mentors here on YouTube as an example. His channel's name is called Orange83. His channel is a channel that uses tutorials to teach the video editing software Adobe Premiere Pro. He's a professional in the field and gives enormous value. Now remember that word value. It should be your best friend. When I subscribed to him, he not only was giving free tutorials about things that people have to pay massive amounts of money to learn, but he would also give you the templates or the presets to download for free. Here's an effect that I got for him for free. Now I'm here, and now I'm here. It's a simple transition. Pretty cool, right? So why is this so powerful? Let's go over what I call the trust effect. So #1, he is giving value for every video that he puts out, which in return built him subscribers coming back for more. #2, he always offered his products for free, or he offered a no obligation donation option. And so since they're free, a lot more people were downloading them and using them as compared to if he was charging them. And #3, his products are very, very high quality and they're really good. This meant that people started finding trust in his product and they just simply wanted more, overall resulting in more subscribers. Orange83 built his tribe over 100K subscribers, so now when he offers a product that he actually sells, everybody will buy it because they know it's going to be good quality. Because they built trust in his product. It's so important, guys, as compared to somebody who's selling it at a high ticket price with no trust. But let's quickly look at some examples with actual numbers. We have two people called Bob and Matt. I know, Bob. Bob and Matt are personal fitness trainers and they are just releasing their similar online workout program. How to lose 20 pounds fast the healthy way. They both use social media to promote their programs, which everybody should be doing in 2018, by the way. But Bob creates a video telling about his product and selling it right off the bat for $50. Well, Matt does the exact same thing, but he offers it for free. Over time, they both create videos on fitness topics and every time they promote their programs in their description boxes. Let's say Bob makes on average about 1 to 3 sales per video on making 1 video per week. Matt makes on average about 50 sales per video, making 1 video per week, but makes no money because he's offering it for free. Over a 1-year period, they've grown their influence all the way up to 20K subscribers. Bob gets on average about 3K to 10K views per video. Not as high, probably because he's just selling something, and that's not as high compared to his subscriber count, probably because he's just selling something every time. While Matt gets about 10K to 20K views per video. Bob has now made annually about $1,200 from his YouTube promotion and about $5,000 from all of his other social media platforms. Matt finally decides to charge for a new program that he's been creating over time and that he just now introduced to his audience. A 90-day massive weight loss training online which guarantees success or your money back. He only charges $30 and he gets 18K views on that video. He ends up making 5,000 sales, which gives him an immediate $150,000 in his bank, compared to Bob's $6,200. And they both did it in the exact same amount of time over just 1 year. There's a massive difference, isn't there? Because Matt was patient. He focused on building an audience. He was always giving value with no expectations, always giving all of his programs he created for free. But mainly, he built trust. And with that trust, his audience believed in his new product. And in the end, guys, he was really, really successful. He's able to change lives for the better and make a massive amount of money doing it. Online marketing is not a race. It's a marathon, guys. Be patient, put in the work, give value, and you will see results. Now, I will admit, this is a hypothetical situation. However, it's a tactic that I've learned from my mentors. And I personally know that it works. And I've personally seen it in action as well. Why do you think Apple with the iPhone and the iPad and the iMac is so successful. If you want to learn more strategies like this, then check out this free book called Legendary Marketer, written by the CEO of Legendary Marketer and one of my mentors, David Sharp. It will be linked in the description box down below, and it is 100% free. All you have to do is pay for shipping. This book, guys, changed my life, and I know that it's going to change yours as well. Consider subscribing and becoming a legend, and all of my social media will be in the description box down below. Remember to never forget your reason, never stop learning, never give up, and most of all, always live for your personal legend. Have a blessed day.